Getting started with fitness apps.
Make tracking your health and exercise habits simple and motivating. To get started, download a reputable app that fits your goals, such as tracking steps, workouts, or nutrition. Create an account and explore the features. Most apps guide you through setup, including entering your age, weight, and fitness level to personalize your experience.
Setting clear fitness goals.
Defining your goals is a key step. Use your app to set realistic targets, whether they're about steps per day, calories burned, or workout frequency. Many fitness apps let you select from preset goals or create custom ones. Having clear goals helps keep you focused and enables the app to track your progress more accurately.
Tracking workouts and daily activity.
Log your workouts by entering activities manually or using your device's sensors. Fitness apps can track runs, walks, cycling, and even strength training. They often display your duration, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, if supported. Consistently recording your exercise builds a detailed history and helps you stay accountable.
Monitoring progress over time.
Regularly check your app's progress reports. Most apps provide charts and summaries showing improvements in activity, endurance, or weight. Use these insights to celebrate milestones or adjust your routine. Monitoring trends over weeks or months can reveal real progress and keep you motivated on your fitness journey.
Getting the most out of fitness apps.
Make the most of your app by integrating other health data, joining challenges, or connecting with friends for support. Many apps offer reminders, achievements, and community forums for encouragement. By using all available features, you can stay motivated, identify patterns, and reach your fitness goals more effectively.